Hello viewers, welcome to another SMT tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to farm NodePay AI. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description box below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. NodePay AI transforms your unused internet bandwidth into valuable assets. NodePay is the network infrastructure that provides decentralized bandwidth for AI training. So by connecting to NodePay network, you'll be able to sell your unused internet to AI companies. It's just like grass. Now all you need to do, we'll be using our Mrs. browser because we'll be needing the NodePay extension. Now let's open our Mrs. browser. To get to this page, you just need to click on the icon at the top. You see extensions, click on it. Now scroll down, open Mrs. Extension Store. So we'll be using the search bar at the top to search for NodePay. Search. So click on NodePay extension Chrome Web Store at the bottom. Then you see add to Chrome. Add to Chrome. Okay. So we've added it to Chrome. Now what you just need to do is register and start earning. You don't have an account. Since you don't have an account before, just click on register. Input your details, your email, your username, your password, your referral code if you have one. So after inputting your details, your name, your username, your referral code, your password, and passing the verification challenge, just click on register. You can save your password. Back to login. Now you can log in with your details. Access my account. Only desktop version supported. So here is what it looks like. The network quality is quite great. It's 74%. You are doing great. Keep connected to this network to earn. So you earn 100 points for each successful referral. Now here is what you need to do. Make sure it's connected always. Like keep it connected always. Check on it and make sure it's connected always. That's all about the NodePay AI. Earning, how to earn on NodePay AI. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, kindly drop it in the comment section. As a team member, I'll be available to answer your question. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. See you in our next video.